वेलकम मिल्ची मित्र सर. गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
Tiwari ji, can you listen?
Thank you, Ashutosh.
Tiwari ji is able to listen? Let us just check if Tiwari ji is okay.
I just had a word with Tiwari sir and he is trying to rejoin.
Okay. So shall we proceed?
Welcome Richie Mittal sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you see me?
Can I join you guys in 15 minutes because I am with Hyderabad at this time.
Please, no issues.
So I will be here, but I am attending to Hyderabad at this time.
No, great.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, is my video on? I don't know because I cannot see my picture on this link.
No, sir, you are not visible currently.
Okay.
Sir, on the bottom,
Okay.
on the bottom side left, you should.
Yeah,
you have
now
the,
it's there, I think. Yeah, there is a button start video.
Yeah.
Can
you start the event now?
Good evening, Big B. Good evening, Mittal sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Now request to Ashutosh and request everyone to please stand up at your place. We are going to start our national anthem.
अभी भी नहीं आ रहे.
Thank you, Ashutosh. Good evening, all. I am Snehsha here, today's Master of Ceremony. I hope you all are doing well and having a good time with your family under this lockdown situation. As a matter of first importance, we are especially appreciative to all the doctors, nurses, police staff, government authorities, and all the individuals out there battling for us against coronavirus. We at Ishre Ahmedabad wishing them a decent well-being and accepting that we will win this fight together. So installation ceremony has always been an event which every member look forward with great anticipation over the years. We have had memorable ceremony with not just HVAC stalwarts, but leading stars from social life such as Jai Vasavada, Kajal Ojavaidya, etc., who share that plus of wisdom to mark the occasion. This year we are facing unprecedented challenge in the name of Wuhan virus, COVID-19. Therefore, we have been compelled to conduct this ceremony via video conference. But staying true to the nature of Ishre Ahmedabad chapter, we will ensure that this adversity is also fondly remembered. 2019-20, a year when Ishre Ahmedabad chapter made a history in its 30 years. A year when the hardships of all the 30 presidents thrive in a various manner. A year when Ishre Ahmedabad chapter had executed a greatest conference under the able leadership of Shri Pankaj Dharkar sir. A year when we did biggest ever accreditation in the entire India. A year when we receive a student activity award. And a year, Ishre Ahmedabad chapter, think of splendid presiding names, IAC 1 degree change. We could be happy to the hard work and commitment of Shri Shailendra Vyas sir. Entire team had worked with passion and not with pressure. I'll request Vyas sir to please share your presentation to all the members. It's over to you, sir. Thank you.
Vyasa, your presentation is just getting ready. So like you started your year last year with a song, I would request while your presentation is getting ready, entertain with a couple of lines from your inimitable style, sir.
What inimitable style? welcome was the last year was is going to be eternally with me. I'm really blessed. Nothing much has changed except I found few more friends and enhanced my respect towards my seniors. Thank you, Big B, for being Big B for us. We all love you. Thank you, Kamlesh Bhai. Thanks, the Vision Committee, who mentored our biggest ever dream to reality. Thank you, my team. Thank you, Kaka, for blessing me ever. My secretary Gaurang Bhai is not there. He graduated to Mumbai, actually. Treasurer Lucky Muscat Aditi, the youth team, Vijay Bhai ever supporting Amit Bhai, the calendar man, Harshal Bhai ever ready to let us visit, let us have ice cream at his place. This year started with so many dreams and perhaps the youngest team of 30 years in the august presence of Rishi Mittal sir by our RD Satish Tiwari sir. He oriented us so well that we adhere to every protocol of ISHRE till now and will continue to do so.
Your presentation is ready, sir.
Thank you, Ashu. So, I'm supposed to do the toughest work of the year to compile this eventful year in 10 minutes. It was very tough. Next, Ashu. We continue to go down to this foundation, this beautiful foundation of ISHRE Ahmedabad for past 30 years, and it is really amazing. इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना प्यारा लगता है जब 30 साल से लोग कंटिन्यूअसली सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. ये इंस्पिरेशन, इससे बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन क्या मिल सकती है? That we will continue to do so. We bow down to our past presidents. Thank you very much to all. These are my mentors. These are our mentors rather. They had been there in every decision, every walk, silently. कभी डंडा मार के, कभी समझा के, but they were there to ensure that we are not distracted. So thank you very much, Darshan bhai, Akash bhai, Sanjay, Mitul bhai, Urush bhai. Thank you very much to you all. And they continue to be part of the office committee under leadership of Kamlesh bhai to realize our biggest dream. This is my team, my beautiful team, my amazing, enthusiastic team, and I feel blessed to be part of such enthusiastic team. The important part is each and every of 31 member of CWC plus extended have participated in one or other way. I really can't forget their selflessness, and I was the chief volunteer for them. They believed me, they trusted me, they loved me. Next, Ashu. Next, Ashu. This is my extended CWC, and this is the team with dreamful eyes and ready to rock, just looking for mentors and seniors, stalwarts to come forward and guide us. Next, Ashu. This was the dream we all have seen during the installation ceremony, to realize, to have our own office. We do have our own office. We wanted to have a bigger office, a full-fledged office with a lecture room, a meeting room, and a library for the members, so that we can serve them better. Next. This is how it was realized in a grand way, and wonderful planning by Dharkar sir, and lots of blessings from HQ. Rishi sir, you are there, Vikram sir, and Kamlesh bhai, Dharkar sir inaugurated this. We all are being seen cheerful. Thank you for being there. The next. This was our plan, and this we will realize this has got halted just because of this COVID-19. Otherwise, we would have realized it by now. But we will take it up immediately after the situation improves. Next, Ashok. This slide, Yamuna ne kinare mandir banau che, was presented by Kamlesh bhai. It was written by Pramukh Swami Maharaj years ago for Akshardham Mandir. They've done Sankalp. They have taken Sankalp, and they realized it. The same Sankalp with leadership of Dharkar sir, Pankaj sir, Kamlesh bhai, and with the blessings of HQ, and we could realize it on 17th of Jan 2020. Next, Ashu. These are a few glimpses of it, and this is the list of selfless donors. It started with Kamlesh bhai during installation day. Dharkar sir promised us to get indirect and direct support, and the confluence has said it all, sir. So Kamlesh bhai, Ashish bhai, Dilip Sharda sahab, Gaurang, Bharat Kumar B. Shah, Urvish bhai, Devna Ben, Rajendra, Bharat Panchal, Sunil Bhatia, Jaideep Trivedi, Rajendra Mewada, Dharkar sir. Next, Ashu. Vijay Panchal, Akash, Sanjay bhai, Basantani, Bipul Patel, Yogesh bhai, our own VP, Amarpal Singh, Sanjay Patel, Hardik Shah, Sripal Vora, Jignesh Parikh, Ritesh Patel, Rajnikant bhai, DN Shukla, Prashant Pathak, Boni bhai, Chetan Shah, Ramesh Patel, Amit Shah, Sanjay Dhwaryu, Sandeep Sangvi, Sandeep bhai from Digicon, Navneet Srivastav, Chetan Shah. These are selfless donors. We all thank you with heart. Thank Ashu. Next. And then happened the biggest ever event of ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter, Beyond Imagination. When we started this, the theme and the target, the plan given to us, the vision given to us by Dharkar sir was very big. Initially we were skeptical how we will achieve it, but with the motivation, with the support of all seniors, we have taken up the challenge, and then we inaugurated it on 17th of January. Ashok, with the presence of 50 plus companies and 1,000 plus delegates. This was the team. This was the team. You can just see how much of the efforts have gone. It was chaired by Pankaj Dharkar sir, co-chairman Kamlesh sir, convener Mitul bhai, Urvish bhai, co-convener, and then the committees. Next, Ashu. hospitality, topics, finance, venue, entertainment, international connect. It was advisory board, partnership, catering, students, catalog show. And this was the grand scene of Confluence. And we all started with the presence of all HQ officers. That was really wonderful and amazing to have you all over there. Next, Ashok. These are a few glimpses of the program. I had to collect a few out of 2000 snaps to ensure that I complete my presentation within time. Next, Ashok. This was Team Confluence. अशोक पीछे चल यार, टीम तो देख लेने दे. बस 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 बस. This was the Team Confluence. It was a wonderful sight. It will remain in heart always. Next. This is it has got widespread media coverage all across. Thanks to Urvesh Bhai's and the teams working. And the press conference was convened with Yogesh Bhai was there, AWIC president Vijay Panchal, who is here also as part of our team too, Dharkar sir, Kamlesh Bhai, Mitul Bhai and Urvesh Bhai, and of course myself. Next. Got a lots of coverage all across. Next, Ashok. And then our calendar man and his team with technical programs. We planned around 53 programs, but ended up with 70 plus programs during the year. And there are a few glimpses of it on the subsequent slides. Ashu, le chal. Dharkar sir was there with Ketan Bhai. Next. Yes, रुक जा. This 12. एक ऊपर चल Ashok, please. We have conducted a 12 session series of for the junior engineers. That was tax series for junior engineers for one session each per month. And the 12th session could not be conducted because of this COVID-19 situation. And we got very amazing and motivating response. We started to plan with 20 participants, but ended up with 36 participants, and there is a demand of second shift. We are going to continue this year also, in the current year also. Next, Ashok. Then there were a couple of product presentation. One was by Belimo actuators. Next. Another was one alpha level. Next. Then Aspen pumps. Then this is something which is very close to our hearts, our souls. Has taken up this campaign the small campaign with a big vision. And I'm thankful to entire ISHRE team, the HQ team, and specifically Dharkar sir for taking this up on various platforms to the government, to the minister levels. Our advocacy team has taken it to national level, and that has shown us the impact all over. Next, we have conducted these programs to our societies. Also, we have taken up like going to societies and educating them, making them aware about the benefits of 1 degree or keeping their air conditioner at 24 plus degrees. This was something, an acknowledgement, and at NBOG Ujjain, it was a wonderful task done by our advocacy team. They created this map, and all India presidents and our HQ team has given a signature. After this event got over, we just have taken these flags, folded it, and brought it to Ahmedabad, and we have kept as a memory for us. Next, Ashok. These are a few glimpses of the society programs, some office programs, some technical programs. This was one in Doubletree Hilton that our Energy Minister Saurabh Patel and Mayor Bijalben were there, and Dharkar sir ensured to give us the platform, our youth team the platform to bring in all together to take the oath to make them aware of our campaign. This was Silver Oak, Sakal Chand Patel College. This is Arvind Vegda, our own star from our own fraternity. Our past president has taken it to media also. And the media in Mumbai has given us very widespread presentation of our vision. Then comes our superstar, Mr. Hardik Patel, who ensured that we remain students of the year. Hardik Shukla, sorry, he remained student of the year. The total program he conducted was more than 75. Next, Ashok. And that fetches this Best Student Activity Performance Award for him, for Ahmedabad chapter. And these are few glimpses of his programs. I could not really compile all of them together. Yes, Ashok, go on. This was a quest conducted at Ahmedabad, the chapter level. Industrial visits, at Synergy, at Citizen. Then this is the final wonderful, beautiful day came when our students, Jeet Vyas and Jai Waghela, procured, attained the second position at AQuest. Last year we were winner, and this year they were at second position, and our another team was at fourth position with Neil Maradia and Mr. Kishan Patel, all from LD College of Engineering. The K-12 activities, we had both new chairs for K-12 activities, Sohini Shah and Ruchir Parikshar. Next. Yeah, we had taken it to places and schools, and we had some Rangoli competition and all. The next comes our Superman, Mr. DM Kaka, our beloved one, and he has conducted. He was active in advocacy activities, and our ensured that we get unique and best food. Next. These were a few of the advocacy programs. Women program was chaired by Devna Vyas. Next, she had conducted a couple of programs, but the best of them was ISHRE Carnival with the theme of Back to Bachpan, where each and every member enjoyed the next. You can see how much each is enjoying. Next, Ashu. Everyone enjoyed their bachpan. Then there was panel discussion, and we ensured this year that we will not force anyone to become member. We left it to be organic, so that after 3 years we don't have to run after them for renewal. And we are happy to share that we have achieved 83 new members online. Next. Then this year we had submitted 5 nominations for our truly deserving candidates or our stalwarts for honors and awards. And I can proudly say this 5 names of Yogesh Thakkar sir. Sir, Yogesh bhai, aap yahi hain. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Ashok Patel sir. Kamlesh Mehta sir. Kamlesh bhai, thanks. महेश्वरी सर, आई एम नॉट श्योर सर हैं कि नहीं, लेकिन सर का अवार्ड हमने इस इंस्टॉलेशन सेरेमनी में देना था, बट वी विल मेक इट हैपन इन सम टाइम व्हेन द सिचुएशन इंप्रूव्स. एंड देन आवर प्रोफेसर हार्दिक शुक्ला फॉर स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटी. नेक्स्ट Ashok. I must be thankful to my society year partners who came together, trusted us, remained with us for the entire year, supported us not only financially, but they were there in each of activities. That is, one degree campaign was powered by Mitsubishi Electric. Our platinum partner was Viewstar. Gold partner was Luby and Advanced Cooling Towers. Silver partners were Aerolem Industries, Kids Corporation, and Citizen Industries. So my soulful gratitude to all 7 of them. Yes, Ashu. Thank you very much. I tried to complete the trailer, but certainly हम आएंगे और पिक्चर दिखाएंगे. इंसान हैं, रुकेंगे नहीं, ठहर जाएंगे.
Thank you, Vyas sir, for the wonderful report. It's our honor to work with you and who always inspire and encourage us to do a great work. Thank you. Now we have our very own industry leader, respected Sri Pankaj Dharkar sir. Dharkar sir doesn't need any introduction, but formally we will say he is the past president of sector, presidential member ISHRE, chairman SOCHM JAM, international president FSAI, past president ASHRE West India chapter, and is also working for many other national and international societies. Dharkar sir, we request you to kindly address the gathering as a keynote speaker. Thank you.
सर माइक अनम्यूट कीजिए. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Sneh, for that introduction. It was not called for. I think we are here in a very close-knit family, and I think this has been one of my memorable year for ISHRE, and particularly in Ahmedabad chapter. The event which we undertook was which I was given responsibility, and which was our passion, and which was passion of all our 30 presidents to build our new office, which was well inspired by Shailesh Bhai, and of course Akash started this journey for us. Many of us worked, and Kamlesh Bhai gave that direction. Thank you, Kamlesh Bhai, for reorganizing ourselves and ensuring that this dream happens. And thanks to all team members, the young team members. And I wish that Prashant and Aditi, who are going to be our future leader, ensures that quickly this office is usable and becomes one of the best properties ISHRE holds in the country. We have been doing that, setting many examples, whether it could be REFCOL or whether it could be Confluence, whether any national program. We have given India direction for as far as ISHRE goes, and we would like that our office becomes the best place in India too. So both of you have added responsibility, and I'm sure you will ensure this to happen. So friends, I think I had said earlier in the installation that the entire world is facing critical health crisis today. People are suffering, cities are under lockdown, transportation has come to halt, production has stopped, office and schools are have shut down. Everyone is trying to work from home. Today I am keeping busy. We are working 18 hours instead of earlier 12 hours. Everyone is trying to work from home. Economy is slowing down. We really are worried about it, but friends, all is not doom and gloom. There are some interesting positive inputs. Um, the air pollution we can see everywhere has reduced. Greenhouse gases emission has dropped. There has been less energy consumption. There is less wastage. Lifestyle has overall changed for good. Our travel habits are getting changed. My wife has probably for the first time seen me in Ahmedabad, and that too in house. I don't remember other than my surgery time she has ever seen me like this. So I think everybody is experiencing good family time. Our working style are changing. I think we need to catch up with technology, and I'm sure the young team here would be doing so. And I'm very glad to see that ISHRE headquarters has given a new direction under able leadership of Rishi Mittal to go digital. I would guess that the installation ceremony of HQ could have taken 30 to 35 lakhs of rupees, which happened in 50,000 rupees, and so we will be repeating that in 5-10,000 rupees for us. So a lot of money saving. That's a flip side of it, though we are not physically connected, but through this Zoom, we are getting connected. So we are learning. So I think more we all have to learn, go digital. Friend, coronavirus has having huge impact on lifestyle world over, and our response to this health crisis will shape the future for all of us, and also the climate crisis in the years to come. So we have to make responsible changes and the society working for a better and a greener tomorrow. Friends, my again best wishes to the new team, which will be soon installed. And I can assure you on behalf of all 30 earlier presidents that you will keep getting our support and love and blessings. And we at ISHRE Ahmedabad will together excel to new height under leadership of Prashant. So look back anytime for any support. I'm assuring you from behalf of everyone here and the strong membership you represent, you will get this support. So thank you very much for inviting me as a keynote speaker. Thanks to Shailendra Bhai and Prashant Bhai and the new President-elect Aditi for this honor. Uh, Always pleasure to be with ISHRE Ahmedabad team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dargar sir. We have always received your blessings for any work related to our society. We are humbled and grateful for the same. Thank you. Now we have a gentleman behind the new office of ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta, who is a past president of ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter and ASHRE West India chapter. He is a finance chair at ISHRE. He is an inspiration to all of us. His contribution to the ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter has been unparalleled. We really feel proud to have a stalwarts from ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter. Sir, request you to please share a few words. It's over to you. Thank you.
Kamlesh bhai, you're not audible. So voice distortion. Your voice is not audible. Yeah, you're visible. You're visible.
He will be rejoining us via phone, I think.
Ah. Kamlesh bhai, you can join via phone also. And once you join via Kamlesh bhai, once you join via phone, then you can disconnect from computer.
By the time he gets back, is it possible for Mr. Richie to join us?
We have Mr. Yogesh Thakkar also with us. Can we ask him to take in on for a while by the time Kamlesh sir joins us back?
Sure.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So I take the opportunity to wish in advance the leadership team of Prashant and the whole incoming team who are going to be installed shortly. And as Dharkar sir rightly said, we can assure you all the support, and this Ahmedabad ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter is carrying such a great legacy. If you see the past presidents, all are stalwarts in the HVAC industry. And Prashant, my best wishes to you personally. And this is really a great pride moment for you. Believe me, to be a president of ISHRAE is a great service to the HVAC industry, where you have your bread and butter earnings every day. And with pride, great responsibility is also there. I'm not trying to frighten you, but it's a great responsibility because this Ahmedabad chapter has a great history, and each and every president who has come has delivered and showed to ISHRAE, HQ and all other chapters by their performance, getting awards, increasing day by day in all the parameters of performance, in cafe points, and the last year only ISHRAE has created history by having their own premises. One thing which I can definitely vouch upon you is you will be getting the support from each and every past presidents. You name it, you ask for it, and you will get the support. Again, all the best to the team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yogesh sir. If we talk about 1 degree or if we talk about any guidance from you, you are always there for us. We we have all the good memories with you from RefCold and Confluence also. Look forward to make many more memories. Thank you. Now, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta may not be able to join us due to some technical reason. So we have to go further for the further. Yes, Richie Mittal sir is
Sir, I just
available.
joined us back in, and on this special occasion, I remember last year as well, you were there to, flag off the society year, and this year as well, it's very ominous to have you here with us.
Yes, Mr. Richie Mittal, president of ISHRE. Mr. Richie Mittal has served ISHRE at various positions at chapter as well as society level, and he is also contributing member at many other national and international societies. Board member, he is a board member of IAQA USA, chair research in ASHRE USA, advisory TARI, member MNRE committee, Government of India. A kind request to Richie sir to please address the gathering. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneh. It's so nice to have everybody. I can see the number of people participant is around 70 plus, and I just got out of installation of Deccan chapter, which is going on, and they also had around 70 people attending this ceremony. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So this year, there are a lot of digital installation happening all over India, and I'm so happy to see that you have more than 70 people attending this ceremony. And Pankaj Bhai also mentioned on a digital, we are fighting on up. So I think we're definitely going to fight the COVID. And just to inform that, although I have a theme of peace for this year, which it's a chariot which is going to roll into the year into a peace. And we have set up a ISHRE tune, which unfortunately I can't display it here because of some technical glitch. But anyway, so we have a theme a tune also, which we will be running in all the events. I would request all chapters to please take it up, so that it becomes a tune. Whenever you hear the tune, you can connect to ISHRE. And just to inform all the members that we have a COVID task force with 10 senior members working on it day in and out. And I'm glad to inform that on coming Monday, please watch out the time and date. Coming Monday, we're going to launch this paper, which has been very extensively made to cover all the questions and all the parameters one related to air conditioning ventilation would be covered in that. With this, I will congratulate the entire team and thank you very much. Please go ahead, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Richie sir. Thank you for the wonderful details you have shared. We are sure that under your leadership, ISHRE stands committed to serve the best interest of the HVACR industry and all the national efforts in this area. We thank you, Richie sir. Now we have oath taking ceremony. Every CWC member is bound by the ISHRE Constitution to work with the utmost honesty and sincerity. I would like to welcome Mr. Pankaj Tiwari to administer the oath to office bearer and CWC member. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Kaji, unmute. Tiwari sir, unmute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. As a installation officer of ISHRE HQ, I would like to start the installation ceremony. And first in the list is President Mr. Prashant Pathak. He is going to take the oath. Mr. Prashant, please raise your right hand. I'm going to read certain responsibilities which you have to honor. If you agree to that, then you give your consent as I do or I agree. Okay?
Right, sir.
So I'm reading the responsibilities. Mr. Prashant Pathak, the general leadership of the chapter, Ahmedabad chapter, is entrusted to you. You will act as the chairman of the CWC and a part of all the committees of this chapter. You will give direction and leadership to all the areas of Ahmedabad chapter and activity. As the chapter president, it will be your responsibility to ensure that the policy directives of the society and your CWC are carried out. Above all, you are the one to whom the members of this chapter will direct their criticism of the policies and the activities, and you must render satisfaction to them. The privilege of all these services carries with a great honor, a real responsibility, and a lot of hard work. You, Mr. Prashant Pathak, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of the chapter?
Yes, I do, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prashant Pathak. I'm installing you as the president of Ahmedabad chapter. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Many congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Next in the row is President-elect Miss Aditi Shah. Aditi, can you hear me? I can't see our video.
You can't see me?
Yeah. Now it's there. Aditi, please raise your right hand. Miss Aditi, as a principal assistant to the president, you will at all the times be prepared to assume his duties. Should the president be unavailable to attend the chapter meetings, board meetings, and such other duties as may be delegated to you. You, Miss Aditi, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of the chapter operation.
I proudly take the responsibilities. I do.
Thank you, Aditi. I'm installing you as the president-elect of Ahmedabad chapter. Congratulations.
Many congratulations, Aditi.
Congratulations, Sajivan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next is Secretary.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dilip Sarda.
Harshal Sarda, sir.
Harshal Sarda. Okay. Mr. Harshal, it will be your responsibility to keep due records of the meetings, attend to correspondence, and be an avoid to the senior officers. Do you, Mr. Sarda, promise to fulfill the duties and the responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of the chapter operations?
Yes, sir. I do. I agree.
Thank you, Mr. Sarda. I install you as the secretary of Ahmedabad chapter.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Then next is treasurer, Mr. Ashutosh Vyas.
Yes, sir.
Ashutosh, you please raise your hand, right hand. Mr. Ashutosh Vyas, it will be your duty to receive all the monies, pay all authorized accounts, give due accounting financially whenever you are called upon to do so. Mr. Ashutosh, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities your office as specified in the manual of the chapter operations. Ashutosh?
Yes, sir. I do, sir.
Congratulations, Mr. Ashutosh. I'm installing you as the treasurer of Ahmedabad chapter.
Welcome, Mr. Treasurer. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Ashutosh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Then in the next stage, I would like all the CWC members to raise their hand. I will just sort of read out the names. This also includes immediate past president, Mr. Shailendra Vyas. Mr. D.M. Shah, Mr. Vijay Panchal, Mr. Amit Sanghvi, Mr. Hardik Shukla, Ms. Devna Vyas, Mr. Sneh Shah, Mr. Taslim Cheba, Mr. Rahul Tingar, Mr. Ruchir Parekh, Hardik Sharma, and the rest of the people. Please raise your hand, right hand. Just 1 minute. Because of your demonstrated interest and activity in society and chapter affairs, your fellow members have elected you to represent them in the chapter working committee. It will be your individual responsibility as committees. It is an honor and a privilege to serve on it, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the activity of the society and to install you as the CWC member of Ahmedabad chapter.
Yes, I do.
Congratulations, everyone. I'm installing you as CWC member. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just 1 minute. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So
Welcome
visible,
back.
audible both, right? Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Dushyant, thanks.
So this completes the installation ceremony. Congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, Pankaj sir, for installing all of us. Now I'll request Kamlesh Mehta sir to have a few words. Thank you.
Okay, first of all, thanks for inviting me and describing me as something. It's not like that. I'm part of you only. Congratulations to the newly installed team. I have about like 3 major points to share with you all and to talk to the new incoming committee. I'll start with the finance because I've recently completed my term as the NFC, and I had chance to go through the finances of all the chapters, HQ, ACREX, and everything. But let me tell you that not just for the sake of saying I'm telling this, but says the way they are maintaining. So keep it up, because I strongly believe that for any organization to run financially, we should be very strong, and we are all very sure that till Ashok Bhai is there, there means till he is associated with ISHRE and ASHRE, nothing can go with the finances. Nothing can go wrong with the finances. So he is there to take care of the finance matters forever. So good. And at second number, it's Bombay chapter, which is one of the biggest chapters of the country. But Ahmedabad is the best, no doubt. Then second point is the activities. So as I said about Ashok Bhai, I also can tell that till Pankaj Bhai is there, nothing can go wrong with the activities of Ahmedabad chapter. He is there to see that, the chapter is completely alive, and not only alive, but then live with a lot of vibrancy. So we are really very lucky to have him. And I think Yogesh Bhai also is following the Pankaj Bhai. दाढ़ी अभी यहाँ तक तो हुआ है. I'm sure when it pays, he'll be almost equivalent to Pankaj Bhai for taking care of the chapter. And we are glad that he is moving ahead to achieve the status of the chair. I mean the president, national president ISHRE. So Yogesh Bhai, best luck, and we are all there with you forever. As far as activities are concerned, the main motto of the bigger office was to continuously conduct the activities. And as usual, I give a lot of emphasis on the basics. Like, now we are going to furnish our office with a small auditorium where, you can regularly conduct the lectures and the various training programs. So I'll really emphasize on the basics once again, that, we can have our own syllabus. ISHRE Learning Institute is already there for the learning, but then I really feel that we can design our own syllabus, starting from, say, for example, basics of HVAC, basics of electricals, basics of piping design, basics of ducting design, basics of automation, basics of electronics, and all these our own syllabus. And we have again, people like Ashok Bhai, Mr. Yogesh. We can take the help of all these people, and Pankaj Bhai, of course, he's there for the all kind of help. So we really should design our own training module, which we can repeat every year, for the new joiners. And this is, I'm not talking about the technicians. This is very important even for the engineers. With the practice of readily available module, probably we are losing our command over the basics alive. So that is very important. So utilize the office in the best possible manner. I'll also try to contribute as much as possible to continuously maintain that training and lectures and everything. And third important point is the relationship with ASHRAE. And till all the old members are there, I'm sure nothing can go wrong with the relationship with ASHRAE. That is again unique about ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter, that the relationship with ASHRAE local chapter is so strong that they are all working in hand in hand with each other, and nothing can go wrong with that. But then can have strong opinion when it comes to the sharing of finance on some activity. Yes, ASHRAE can act as an independent body to claim that share. ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter can
Is Kamlesh bhai audible to everybody?
No, we lost him. We lost the voice.
He lost his voice actually.
I think few of us could put off the video. It could enhance the quality probably.
Okay. The problem is with the internet at Kamlesh Bhai's residence or the office.
Yes, I think.
Okay, so as we are running out of time, we have to go further with Mr. Prashant Pathak. Join him again. So, would like to share about Prashant Pathak, sir. That when we heard that Mr. Prathan will be a president of ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter, two things suddenly came in our mind. First is food, and second is laughter. Mr. Personality with a clear vision in his mind, his dedication and honesty towards society is really appreciable and amazing. જેનું નામ લેતા જ મગજમાં શાંતિ પ્રસરે છે એવા પ્રશાંતભાઈને વિનંતી કે એમનું પ્રવચન આપે. Thank you.
Thank you, Snehbhai, for the wonderful introduction. And let me share one more thing. As Jay bhai, that the journey which was last year, એક ગુજરાતીમાં એમાં બહુ જ સરસ એક કહેવત છે કે રેખાઓમાં રહ્યો રેખાઓમાં રહ્યો અને પગલા બીજું કઈ નહીં, પગલાઓનો સરવાળો. So which to what IS is today, and let me start my formal speech to the gathering. And I'm pleased to welcome all online installation ceremony of Ahmedabad chapter for CWC 2021. Welcome to our seniors, National President Mr. Richi Mittal, Yogesh bhai, already Mr. Pankaj Tiwari sir, and all other most respectable past presidents, along with my vibrant, diversified team, and especially Dharkar sir and Kamlesh sir, which has taken my request so seriously. Thank you very much, sir, to both of you, sir. I have tried to keep the colors of presentation as vibrant as our team, and let's rock the entire year with the same vibrancy. The year has remained very remarkable in terms of many achievements like new thoughts propelled with a Zoom, 1 degree, new office, our biggest event Confluence, and IS's new office at a very prime location with greenery in backside. Next, please. Amidst the vibrant, we all owe the credit to our past presidents for putting in such a strong foundation over which, over the period of all 20 presidents have built ISC what it is today. So thanks to all past presidents for giving me such a vibrant chapter on a platter to success to take it on. So in many
photo आने दीजिए शैलेंद्र भाई का.
that will come, sir. That will come. So in any ceremony, as we do Ganpati Vandana, let me do it in a way by introducing my role model to you. As in Mahabharata, the Eklavya learned many things, keeping Guru Dron as his guru remotely. These are the person who made us dream big and showed and made us achieve it also. Next, please. Thank you. So let me introduce my two role models as Mr. Pankaj Darkar and Mr. Kamlesh Mehta. Both are individually very dynamic, seasoned, matured, and stable-minded, not only to drive me but the entire industry. Thanks to Darkar sir and Mehta sahib for being with us and bless us today. Further to this, these are the two persons again who are my guide, coach, and mentor throughout the tenure. After Govind Vanna, let me recall my gurus as next slide, please. I'm grateful to this too, Mr. Shailendra Vyas and Sri Urvish Bhai. You will be amazed as both of them have reciprocal mindset. But when it comes to chapters decision or any of my personal upbringing, they both have shown me the right path ever. I'll not say thanks to them as my exercise over their guidance will be the right way to express my gratitude to them, both of them. Next slide, please. ISC has always sailed through successfully through any given situation, and not only that, has created a mark over the other regions and led the entire country, and that is just because of the presence of a great idea factory in the name of Vision Committee. Each and every of this pillar of it, Mr. Darshan Dave, Mr. Akash Patel, Mr. Sanjay Adhavaryu, Mr. Mitur Shah, and Mr. Urvish Shah, and now as new addition, Mr. Shailendra Vyas, with their diversified skill set, have not only guided but have also trained the entire trail to think in a most dynamic way, because of which let me make a statement which is never an overstatement, that we are living today many else's dream. Next slide, please. Here comes the mission statement of ISRO HQ. That is, ISRO's mission is to protect the environment, conserve energy, and promote healthy indoor environment quality by creating standards, conducting research, and providing continuing education in HVAC and related building services. We need to add R when ISRO is there, and R stands for refrigeration. Next slide. So here comes my team, the people. Let me introduce, and I've got a privilege to introduce the people besides me who are ready to embark a journey of Society Year 2021 as my team. And it starts with, as we all know, that the president-elect is Ms. Aditi Shah. Mr. Harshal Salda is our secretary, and treasurer is Mr. Asutosh Vyas. The membership committee starts with is being chaired by Taslim Chipa sir. Mr. Hardik Sharma will be vice chair, and Samkit Shah and Rajendra Mistry will be team member. Similarly, program is headed by Amit Sanghvi. Vice chair is Rahul Dirgar. Mr. Prithvi Shukla and Mr. Saurabh Thakur are the team members. K12 will be headed by Ruchir Parikh. Vice chair is Ms. Nidhi Punjabi, and we have got Ms. Soni Shah, Mr. Upendra Pandey, and Mr. Adarsh Rajput as a team member. Student activity, Mr. Hardik Shukla will head, and Mr. Sunil Bhatia will co-chair him, and Mr. Ruchir Parikh will be acting as a team member. Advocacy, we have got our own DM Kaka, and we have Mr. Gaurav Patel is new addition to the team, will be acting as a vice chair. H&A and Acrex is entirely portfolio of Aditi Madam, and the entire team is there with her. Refrigeration and Refcold, we have got very two dynamic and the new people coming in the board. That is Mr. Dr. Dilip Kumar Gupta and Mr. Dr. Ragesh Kapadia. In training, we have got our own Mr. Perfectionist, Mr. Vijay Panchal, who is being assisted as vice chair by Mr. Samkit Shah. Next slide, please. Marketing committee will be headed by our zonal chair youth, Mr. Sneh Shah, and Prithvi Shukla as vice chair. Youth will be headed by Mr. Venkatesh, Mr. Samkit Shah as vice chair, and Mr. Ankit Mistry as team member. I am pleased to say that we have got the most dynamic and the biggest ever women team this year with us, which will be headed by Devna Vyas Madam, and that was her request last year that I need a bigger team, and now I think she has got the biggest ever team across the India. And Ms. Shahnaz Gandhi Madam is assisting her as a co-chair. Ms. Nancy Mekwan, Ms. Nidhi Khanpur, Ms. Nidhi Punjabi, and Ms. Sohini Shah are the women chair, and indeed Ms. Aditi Shah is always there as a women team member. One Degree is a flagship event, the flagship team of our Ahmedabad chapter, which is headed by the person who has designed the One Degree logo is Mr. Anand Kelkar, and is being vice chaired by Mr. Shailendra Siddharth Vyas, and Mr. Jay Thakkar is a team member. Partnership, as I said, Aditi Shah will be taking care of with Nidhi Khanpur as vice chair. AgriServe, Aditi Madam will take it on. National program will be headed by Mr. Urvish Shah as chair and Ms. Aditi Shah as vice chair. Social media will be taken care by Sneh Shah as chair, Nidhi Khanpur as vice chair, and Asutosh Bhai and Mr. Upendra Pandey as a team member. And hospitality will be taken care by Mr. Shadab Imam, Mr. Anand Kalkar as Vice Chair. IC News Committee, that is the new thing which last year we restarted, and it is headed by Mr. Rahul Tirkar. He has done a remarkable job in that, and Ms. Nidhi Khanpur will assist her as a co-chair, and Mr. Nisarg Kalkar will be the team member. And finance, obviously, Mr. Shailendra Vyas will head it, and Mr. Asutosh Vyas will be the co-chair, and I'll be the team member with him. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is the theme which Mr. Rishi Mittal, National President, has said that the theme of the year is going to be the peace. The Asia Chariot will be driven by peace. The theme for 2021. Next slide. Wherein each word. Yeah, the acronym of each word is perseverance in engineering to adapt, collaborate, and excellence. That stands for peace. Next slide, Ashutosh bhai. So keeping abreast theme, I would like to add a theme for our ISC as scale up to level up. The world have witnessed the evolution as industrial era to technological era and then to information, and today's era is association era. Era of association leadership is the keyword. The leadership is all about serving and influencing the community. As I just said that we are living a dream of many, and hence many people are looking to us as a benchmark. Additionally, what I believe is that we are what we are today because we have delivered beyond expectation of our community, and it must. Let's scale up in terms of our program quality, our administrative activities, and our K-12 programs and whatnot, and everything that we do, as we are the leaders, and we need to chase our own achievements, as rightly said by Kamlesh Mehta sir. Most importantly, we need to enhance the membership experience also to enhance and retain our current strength. Next slide, please. Ashu bhai. Ashutosh bhai. Thank you, Ashutosh bhai. Now here comes the list of programs very meticulously planned by Mr. Amit. Says him a calendar man. He has got everything ready with the dates for the entire year. In fact, if I'll go narrating each and every, it will take a long time. So in want of time, I'll keep it for entire committee, and we'll float it also later. Can we have the next slide, please? At the bottom line, if you can see that he is 4 plus 31, that's 35 plus 3, 38, and 4 more. That's 40, around 52 number of programs he has already designed this for this year. And these are just the glimpse, and many more to come. And I am really impressed by the idea given by Kamlesh Mehta sir that we must design our own, enhance the skills of the people around us and who are driving the industry. And it is well noted. Definitely, sir, ahead. Can we have the next slide, please? Again, next. Yeah, there is one before this. Yeah, this is the unique program designed by ISRE Ahmedabad chapter under the leadership of the entire committee has given a very due justice to this junior program, and I am very pleased to say that we are going to continue this program for the this coming year also. In the wake of COVID, I am really not sure that what time will take it for the confluence, but we as a team are determined to do the confluence also this year. So though the slides are not added, it is our commitment to our own self that will be doing the confluence, and that is the flagship program of our ISRE Ahmedabad chapter, and we cannot let it go as such. Next, please. So coming to the end, let me read the great statement given by Mr. John F. Kennedy that conformity is the jailer of freedom and enemy of the growth. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Ashutosh bhai, last slide, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Can I know till what discussion I was there, because I don't know when I got disconnected.
ISRE relationship.
Okay, fine.
Sir, please go ahead from there only.
Okay, fine. So that was the last point. But I just wanted to say that we have really good people and very, very dedicated people with this chapter, and this is there with very few chapters. Believe me, because I've passed so many years with ISRE, And I can say that, the ISHRE team at Ahmedabad is very, very lively team. People are dedicated. Like I was talking about Hardik Shukla also. He's also contributing a lot to the student activities and fully dedicated to student activities. So keep this up. And whenever you need my support, I'll be really glad to extend my support. That is what I just wanted to convey. That's all. Yeah, thank you very much. And Prashant Bhai, welcome and congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Richie sir, we are really lucky to have you also on this, this Zoom meeting. So the team is really lucky. So even in this situation, we have been able to discuss so many things. Thanks. Yeah, please go ahead with the next agenda.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, Kamlesh bhai. Thank you for being there. And thank you for being Kamlesh Mehta.
And we all should once again, thanks a lot to Mr. Pankaj Darkar. He put really Herculean efforts. Everybody, Pankaj, Yogesh, Ashok bhai, and then we could collect a good amount of fund, which could, pay off for the balance amount of the office, and we could pay back the loans, the individual loans and the loans from ISHRE. So that is really wonderful. So once again, thanks to Mr. Pankaj Darkar for supporting, our office committee in the dreams coming true. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Please.
Kamlesh Mehta, sir. It's always an honor to work with you and to listen to your motivational speech. Once again, thank you. Currently, we have Mr. Anant Kalkar, who has made a 1 degree logo, and he has prepared one fantastic video of entire year where we had taken different videos and photos of the campaign. And I'll request Ashutosh after 1 minute to play that video. Before that, I would like to share one poem in Gujarati where entire humankind is fighting against this coronavirus. So I have already shared that poem with many of you, but once again would like to share that. રસ્તો નહીં જડે તો રસ્તો કરી જવાના, એમ થોડી કે મુંજાઈ અમે મનમાં મરી જવાના, કોણે કહ્યું કે ખાલી હાથે મરી જવાના, દિલથી દુનિયાના ચારે છેડા ભરી જવાના, એક આત્મબળ અમારું દુઃખ માત્ર દવા છે, હર જખમને નજરથી ટાંકા ભરી જવાના, સમજો જો શું અમોને સ્વયં પ્રકાશ છે, દીપક નથી અમે કે ઠારે ઠરી જવાના, અહીં કાળ કઈ નથી ભય તું થાય તે કરી લે, ઈશ્વર સમો ધણી છે થોડા મરી જવાના, ઈશ્વર સમો ધણી છે થોડા મરી જવાના.
ભાઈ આ એસી નો ધંધો છોડી કવિ ના બની જતો, આ ટેમ્પરરી છે કોરોના તો.
Definitely, sir. And I'm sure that we all will fight against corona
the video
together.
Yeah.
And hopefully within 1 month or 2 months we will be back on our offices and places. Now request Shutosh to play a video if it's ready, or if you want to say something, please share.
Thanks to this corona, people are becoming poets, and Anant, who has always been very good with the editing of the video, he has created this lovely video of the 1 degree campaign, which is very close to heart of all the CWC member and who work very passionately on it. So here it goes. Thank you, Anand, for this wonderful video that you made. We all really loved it, and from everyone's face, we can see how really thoroughly impressed they were. And the CWC team has thoroughly enjoyed working under.
Thank you, Ashutosh and everyone.
Yes. The entire CWC.
Thank you, Ashutosh and everyone. Sorry. Please continue.
The entire CWC team has thoroughly enjoyed enjoyed this whole process of working under Shailendra Vyas, who said the one thing that आप ये साल में जो अंदर आ रहे हो और जो बाहर निकलोगे वो पूरा इंसान चेंज हो जाएगा आपके अंदर एक तरीके से जो चीजें आप नई सीखोगे that would transform you as a person. And showering this kind of love, we would like to dedicate a small video which demonstrates our love to Shailendra sir. Please hold on a second. Meanwhile, I would like Anand to take us through the journey of how he came up with this entire idea of designing the logo, which is a mass sensation all over the world.
For that brief and full introduction. Everyone knows that it was all an idea of Shailendra sir that he discussed with us, and it grew just like, and it is spread across the globe. If I talk about the journey, I would especially like to thank Mr. Pankaj Dharkar sir for to also Mr. Gaurav and Ashu Gupta sir, who is not present here, but they have traveled across India in different cities, and during their trainings they also supported us by providing us a platform where we can take the pledge of so many people and create awareness about this 1 degree challenge that has helped our Mother Earth. Thank you.
And the video which I was talking about is here for everyone.
नरेंद्र मोदी द्वारा लिखित एक अद्भुत कविता प्रारब्ध नैया गांठे कौन हूं પડકાર ઝીલનારો માણસ છું હું તેજ ઉછીનું લવ નહીં હું જાતે જ બળતું ફાનસ છું જળહળાનો મોહતાજ નથી મને અજવાળું પૂરતું છે જળહળાનો મોહતાજ નથી મને મારું અજવાળું પૂરતું છે અંધારાના વમળને કાપે કમળ તેજ તો સ્ફૂરતું છે ધુમ્મસમાં મને રસ નથી હું ખુલ્લો અને નિખાલસ છું ધુમ્મસમાં મને રસ નથી હું ખુલ્લો અને નિખાલસ છું પ્રારબ્ધને અહીંયા ગાંઠે કોણ હું પડકાર ઝીલનારો માણસ છું કુંડળીને વળગવું ગમે નહીં ને ગ્રહો કને શિર નમે નહીં કુંડળીને વળગવું ગમે નહીં ને ગ્રહો કને શિર નમે નહીં કાયરોની શતરંજ પર જીવ સોંગટાબાજી રમે નહીં હું પોતે જ મારો વંશજ છું હું પોતે જ મારો વારસ છું પ્રારબ્ધને અહીંયા ગાંઠે કોણ હું પડકાર ઝીલનારો માણસ છું પ્રારબ્ધને અહીંયા ગાંઠે કોણ હું પડકાર ઝીલનારો માણસ છું.
That salt declares Sneha as an official poet of Ishra Ahmedabad chapter.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Ashutosh, for playing that video. It was a nice interaction with each one of you. Now I'll request our president-elect, our charm, Aditi Shah, to give a vote of thanks. Thank you.
Okay, am I audible now?
Very much.
Perfect, thank you. I would like to congratulate the incoming team. Congratulations, look amazing year ahead. Good evening all once again. It was lovely seeing you all. Thank you so much for sparing your time and witnessing the first ever digital installation ceremony for Ishra Ahmedabad chapter. I would like to thank Mr. Pankaj Dharkar sir, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta sir, Mr. Richi Mittal sir, Mr. Pankaj Tiwari sir, Mr. Yogesh Thakkar sir, and all the other delegates who could join us today for this installation ceremony. We look forward to have a great society year ahead under the able leadership of Mr. Prashant Pathak. Thank you all once again present here. Till then, I hope to see you all soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
Hey Aditi, where is the dinner?
Dinner right
you
here.
You didn't invite for the dinner, you know, that is...
Our own homes.
E-dinner.
Amazing. yummy dinner.
We just all had to little French house.
At least show some, sweets and pedas and everything. So that is okay. I mean, many of us, cannot take the sweets, but we can see the sweets at least. So.
You will be showing his Dalgona coffee.
Thakkar sahab jo, Yogesh bhai jo.
Anyway, thanks to Pankaj ji and Richi Vittal. Thanks a lot.
Thank
it was
you so
really
much.
wonderful.
Chalo, bye everyone. Be safe. Be at
Bye,
home.
bye everyone, and best of luck to all.
Thank
Mitul bhai.
Yes,
Mitul
yes,
bhai.
બોલો. Yeah.
All the best. Bye bye.
તમે હાજર છો ને સાહેબ, એમને જતા રહું થોડું ચાલશે.
હું હાજર જ છું ને.
પણ તમે એમને થોડા જવાય સાહેબ.
All the best.
Thank
All
you
the
sir.
best to
Thank you.
incoming
Gaurang
team
bhai.
and best of luck.
Prasad bhai, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you all of
This
you.
have now, taught us that if something goes wrong, for a longer time, we can also go in for e-learning through this kind of portal.
સાચી વાત છે સાહેબ.
Definitely, that's what we are planning now.
Right.
To have few webinars for technical talks.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye sir.
Bye. Good night. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Take care.